welcome back. Long time no see. Let's see if I remember how to do this. I've got a 20 by 20 edge canvas, and it's the thick one. And I have primed it with 2 coats of Kilz 2 to waterproof it and make it suitable for alcohol inks. You can see I kind of did a little splishy splashy, but that's okay. It'll clean up all right. And yeah, colors I'm going to be using today are Kamenskaya Deep Water. No, I'm not using Kamenskaya Indigo. Kamenskaya Dark Blue. Kamenskaya Light Blue. Pinata Brass. And maybe some Kamenskaya Black. I'm not sure yet. So, we've also got 99% isopropyl alcohol. And got a regular brush right here so that I can help the alcohol move where I want it. And then I just got this little gift here from a friend, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a blower. It's a fan. And I thought, oh, this would be fun to try with inks. So there we go. I'll go ahead and do this on voiceover now because I'm outside. I want to get plenty of airflow. Doing big canvases, it's best to do them outside. Inside I do have an air purifier, fans going and stuff like that, but it never seems to be enough ventilation and everything, even with the respirator on and stuff. I don't like it drifting throughout the whole house. It has a way of leaking under the doors and everything else and getting into the rest of the house, and I don't like that. So yeah, when I do the big things with lots of alcohol, I do them outside. So let's get started.
Okay, present time me here. Hi, I have missed you guys so much. Oh my god, I cannot believe it has been 4 months since my last video. Holy cow, I've been away for so long, and I apologize for that. Most of you know, some of you probably don't. My husband and I bought a business. It was the business that he's been working for like the past 7.5, 8 years. And yeah, his boss wanted to sell and move to a different state and gave us the opportunity to purchase it. So we have, and now I run the front office, all the bookings and appointments and doing all the paperwork and everything else. And yeah, it's been fun. Oh, what am I doing here? Okay, first I brushed out some alcohol just to kind of get the canvas wet, and so that the inks kind of flow over easier. And then the first color I put down was the Kamenskaya Deep Water. Now this is the light blue, and yeah, this was done a few months ago, so I really had to kind of lean in and kind of enlarge things so I could try and read some of the labels on here, because I forgot the order of which I laid everything down. This is the Kamenskaya Dark Blue, and yeah, it was windy that day. I was picking little bits of stuff out of my alcohol, because if you don't know, alcohol inks, when something lands in them, everything kind of, all the pigments kind of gravitate towards it and grab onto it and cause a little dark spot or speck, and then kind of a little empty ring around the speck, and then your color, kind of fades out. It's odd stuff when it comes to little specks. You can kind of see one right down there if you look at the reflection right below my chin area. Well, now, there we go. Right there. You can see how dark blue that is. There's a speck of something in the alcohol, and that's what causes that dark blue speck. So yeah, I'm sure I'll eventually get to that and pick that out. Right now I'm laying down some Pinata Brass, and yeah, all my inks are mixed approximately 50-50. You kind of just play it by ear. There, I got it. But yeah, you play it by ear when it comes to inks. Some inks are more highly pigmented than other inks, and the darkness of your inks. How dark do you want your inks? How concentrated do you want your inks when you're laying them down? All depends on your personal tastes and everything. So yeah, these are mixed approximately 50-50, and to that I've added a splash or two of the Jacquard Pinata Claro. It's an extender. It kind of acts as a binder for the color so that it doesn't really break. And it also extends your dry time. So you've got a little bit longer to play with it, and yeah, so it doesn't dry as quickly. And you can see here, basically all I'm doing is just tilting. I'm not using any heat. I have that little blower that you saw. I think I'll be using that a little bit. But yeah, really no special tools, just that old brush and yeah, a little bit of that blower. But mostly it's all tilting. And I think that the results come out really, really great. And yeah, there's some slow tilting. So probably going to speed this up a little bit and put on some music, and I will see you towards the end of it all. All right, here comes the music.
먼지투성이 hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now. 한 발을 내밀었어, 걱정이 많이 있어. It's a bit of love, yeah. It's a little tough, yeah. 담배를 물고 있어, 생각이 너무 깊어. Wow, it's looking too deep. It's a little rough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing underwater right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now. Moonlight shimmering, falling over me right now, right now. Yeah, 한숨을 쉬고 있어, 또 마을 가고 싶어 난. I'm afraid of all things, and I said enough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing underwater right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now.
Here we go. Now we're good. Okay. Let's see. take you over in the sunlight and we'll see where it goes from there. Yeah, there it is. Let's see. I like it. Right like that. Okay, here we are in the sunlight. Hopefully you can see this okay. I seem to be in my own shadow or something, I don't know. Here we go. But hopefully you can see all the shimmery goodness that's in there. It's very beautiful. Very shimmery. Because when you mix your gold, it floats. Or I should say brass. Your Pinata brass. I just love this. Really, really love this. Okay. That does it for me. Until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.